Hi everybody, welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'll be showing you how to make a really beautiful, nice, creamy white gravy. Okay, so before we start, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell icon, get the latest updates and find out what I'm up to. Share with your family and friends, and do tell me how your recipes go. Okay, so I'll see you back at the hob because everything starts there. Before we go, all I've got is some flour, butter, chicken stock, some milk, some paprika, garlic powder, and some pepper. All right, so hop over to the hob and I'll see you there. So I've got some butter in my pan. I'm going to melt this butter down. What we want to do is make a basic roux in one sense. So it's just basically cooking off some flour to make like a thickener, and then we'll introduce the stock and the milk to then make a white sauce. So what I'm doing now is once you can smell the flour cooking off, and it usually smells like a little like cookies actually, or biscuits, then is the time to introduce the other elements. Now for my gravy, I'm using chicken stock. That gives it additional taste. Otherwise white gravy is just very bland. So I'm just going to pour some chicken stock. I'm just going to mix that in. Now that it's thickening, I'm going to turn over to my milk and thicken the roux. Right, whilst I'm finishing this off, I'm going to introduce some salt and garlic, salt and pepper, and some paprika to give it that additional taste. Perfect. I'll see you back at the serving counter.